tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play The Story of Tonight by Lin Manuel Miranda from the musical Hamilton. It is so beautiful and it is so hard. It's in the key of A originally, which meant I transposed it up to the key of B for us. So have heart, don't get scared. This is difficult, but you will get really good at the B, C sharp, D sharp exchange. So keep practicing if this one gives you trouble. It's not like our easier ones. We're starting here on a right hand B. So you have your thumb down in the back plus your register key, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then B is the bottom row furthest one away from you. You're doing that so that you can move into C sharp over here on your left, and then your D sharp in your right. So you have a wonderful pinky exchange right there from B, C sharp, D sharp, and then you're going to go back to B, which is in now your left hand. So you had your D sharp in your right pinky, now you have your B in your left pinky over here, and you're going to go to an A sharp. So we know that is B flat. You're going to roll to the A key with the side of your index finger. Thumb is down on the register key in the back. Keep your fingers close because you're going to drop down to a B. You can go back to the B on the left that you just left from, or you can go to the B in your right. Either way, it's going to work. So I'm starting here on my right hand B. Drop back down to that right hand B, left hand C sharp, right hand D sharp, left hand B, just like the beginning, but now you're going to go up to an E natural by lifting up your bottom two fingers and your left hand pinky, and then go back to the D sharp. Then you have a C sharp, back to your D sharp, and another left hand B. Go back to the B, back to your left hand C sharp. Yeah, that was your right hand B, sorry. Then your left hand C sharp, back to your right hand B, and you're going to lift up to your middle finger down, which is your F sharp right there, and then you're going to drop back down to that right hand B, left hand C sharp, right hand D sharp. Back to the B, C sharp, B, E, and then the bottom two down for the D sharp, and then you have your C sharp on the left and your B on the right, and below the break F sharp, so just the front of your index finger there, like that. Let's play that much. You're going to go back over the break to the D sharp, then lift up your bottom two for the E, and lift up your index finger for the F sharp, drop back down to the D sharp, and then you have a B natural in your left, and I'm just going to play that much. Because now you have the C sharp right here in your right hand this time. So it's your bottom row closest key to you. It's sort of tucked away in there for that C sharp. Lift back up your bottom two fingers for the E and drop them down to the D sharp. Go back to your right hand B. You're going to be really good at this note. You have two of those. B, B, C sharp on the left, D sharp on the right, B on the left, just like the beginning. Now you're going to have a big leap to your highest note, that G natural that has that wonderful dissonance. F sharp with your second finger, drop your index finger for the E. Go back to your B, then C sharp, then B, up to the F sharp, back to the B. This is all that right hand B, left hand C sharp, and then your D sharp in the right hand. Back to that right hand B, left hand C sharp, right hand B, lift up your bottom two for an E, then drop down to the D sharp, C sharp in your left, B in your right, and that F sharp below the break is what you're going to end on. So that is the whole thing. I'm going to play it all together so you can see all the fingerings together and hear it all at once. Here we go. Thanks for watching. Comments, questions, post them below. And be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the next video.